Hello Care Master Tips family. Today, we're going to delve into a topic we all wonder about but perhaps don't pay enough attention to. Why do our cars sometimes fail to reach the 100,000 mile mark, approximately 160,000 kilometers, or even worse, constantly require expensive repairs? If you want to extend your vehicle's lifespan, save money, and leave the fear of breakdowns behind, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll thoroughly examine 15-20 critical mistakes that car owners frequently make, which ultimately shorten their vehicle's life. When you stop making these mistakes, you'll see your car serving you for many more years. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Neglecting regular oil changes detail. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your engine. It reduces friction between moving parts, dissipates heat, and keeps the engine clean. Failing to change the oil at the manufacturer's recommended intervals, usually every 5,000-10,000 miles or 6-12 months, accelerates engine wear, leads to performance degradation, and can eventually cause engine failure. Dirty oil also leads to sludge buildup inside the engine. 2. Not checking tire pressure detail. Correct tire pressure is critical not only for your driving safety but also for the lifespan of your tires and fuel efficiency. Low or high pressure leads to uneven tire wear, reduced grip, and increased fuel consumption. It's crucial to check tire pressure once a month and adjust it to the values specified on your car's door jamb or in the owner's manual. 3. Overlooking coolant level and quality detail. Coolant, antifreeze, which prevents the engine from overheating, ensures the engine operates at an optimal temperature. A low level or degraded quality can lead to engine overheating and serious damage, such as a blown head gasket. Regularly check its level and replace it at the manufacturer's recommended intervals. 4. Postponing brake maintenance detail. Brakes are one of the most important systems for your safety. Worn brake pads and rotors, contaminated or low brake fluid, reduce braking performance and increase the risk of accidents. Never ignore noises from the brakes, squealing, grinding, and have them checked regularly. 5. Skipping transmission fluid changes detail. Whether automatic or manual, transmission fluid ensures smooth gear shifts and protects transmission components. Many people think transmission fluid never needs changing, but replacing it at the manufacturer's specified intervals, usually between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, significantly extends transmission life. 6. Not replacing the air filter detail. The air filter, which ensures the engine gets clean air, becomes clogged with dust and dirt over time. A clogged air filter reduces engine performance, increases fuel consumption, and shortens engine life. It's generally recommended to replace it every 15,000-30,000 miles. 7. Neglecting the fuel filter detail. The fuel filter prevents contaminants in the fuel from reaching the engine. A clogged fuel filter can lead to the engine not receiving enough fuel, performance degradation, misfiring issues, and even fuel pump failures. It should be replaced periodically according to the manufacturer's recommendations. 8. Not checking or replacing spark plugs detail. Spark plugs ignite the fuel-air mixture, allowing the engine to run. Worn or dirty spark plugs cause the engine to run roughly, decrease fuel efficiency, and lead to power loss. They generally need to be replaced every 30,000-100,000 miles, varies by vehicle type. 9. Overlooking timing belt, chain maintenance detail. The timing belt or chain is a vital component that synchronizes critical engine parts. If it breaks, the engine can suffer severe damage, and repairs can be very expensive. It must be checked and replaced at the mileage or year intervals specified by the manufacturer. 10. Delaying front end and suspension issues detail. Front end or suspension problems like steering play, road noises, or the car pulling to one side affect not only driving comfort but also safety. If these issues are not addressed in time, they can lead to larger and more expensive failures. 11. Not taking warning lights seriously detail. Warning lights on the dashboard, check engine light, oil pressure light, battery light, etc., are important signals from your car. Ignoring these lights can cause a minor problem to turn into a major breakdown. When a warning light comes on, consult a professional as soon as possible. 12. Excessive short distance driving detail. Very short distance drives, especially in cold weather, do not allow the engine and other fluids to reach their optimal operating temperature. This can lead to moisture buildup in the engine, insufficient oil heating, and increased wear. If possible, use your vehicle for longer distances regularly. 13. Overloading your vehicle detail. Carrying a load beyond your vehicle's capacity puts excessive strain on the suspension system, tires, brakes, and even the engine and transmission. This leads to premature wear and failure of parts. Pay attention to the maximum load capacity in your vehicle's owner's manual. 14. Aggressive driving style detail. Aggressive driving habits such as hard accelerations, sudden braking, and high-speed cornering create excessive stress on the engine, brakes, tires, and suspension system. This shortens the lifespan of parts and increases fuel consumption. A smoother and calmer driving style extends your car's life. 15. Neglecting vehicle cleaning, especially the undercarriage detail. As important as exterior cleaning, cleaning the undercarriage of your vehicle is crucial. Road salts used in winter and mud can cause corrosion on metal parts. Regularly washing the undercarriage prevents rust, preserving the structural integrity of the vehicle. 16. Ignoring battery maintenance detail. The battery is the heart of the car's electrical system. It's important to check for corrosion on battery terminals, clean them, and ensure connections are tight. Battery performance decreases in cold weather, so it's beneficial to check battery health, especially before winter. 17. Constantly keeping the fuel tank low detail. Consistently keeping the fuel tank below a quarter full can strain the fuel pump and lead to premature failure. Additionally, an empty tank can lead to water accumulation due to condensation, which can cause problems in the fuel system. Try to avoid letting your tank drop below the quarter mark. 18. Not checking power steering fluid level detail. In vehicles with a power steering system, checking the level and quality of the power steering fluid is important. Low level or dirty fluid can cause wear on the power steering pump and make steering stiffer. 19. Ignoring road noises and vibrations detail. Unusual noises, squeaks, rattles, hums, or vibrations coming from your car are usually signs of a problem. Ignoring these symptoms can cause a minor issue to escalate into a larger, more expensive breakdown. Early diagnosis saves you from significant costs. 20. Having periodic maintenance done outside of authorized service, or not at all, detail. Having your vehicle's regular periodic maintenance performed according to manufacturer standards is the most important way to extend its life. Authorized services or reliable independent workshops know your vehicle's specific needs and use the correct parts. Skipping maintenance entirely directly shortens your car's lifespan. So, here are the 20 critical mistakes that, as Care Master tips, we've presented to you, which shorten your car's life and prevent it from crossing the 100,000-mile barrier. As you can see, most mistakes can be prevented with simple precautions or regular maintenance. Remember, taking good care of your car not only saves you money but also provides you with a safe and trouble-free driving experience. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, share your own experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to be instantly notified of our new videos. See you in the next video. Stay on the road, stay safe.